Oh.
I'm making a sled out of this.
Yeah, you look like you are.
Yeah. We're gonna have.
Oh, that's kind of like. Now we're into the apocalyptic thinking here.
It was a good time. Hey, look at that.
Yeah. Maybe. Oh, is it recording?
Yeah. I'm just gonna record whatever. Looks a little.
Oh, I'm picking up a lot of sand.
Teamwork. There we go. Yeah. Over the bush. I don't know if they're throwing that out. What are they doing? Are they lifting it?
People definitely know what they're doing.
Yeah. Yeah, they need sunscreen. I was gonna say this. Someone needs to go spray them all.
Are
I
there
was like,
bathrooms?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
There's a little like wooden hut. I don't remember where it is over there somewhere. And this little, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I only knew about the wooden shack. There's like restrooms in the back of it.
Oh.
Like if you go on the outside. Yeah.
But he needs 2 people, right? Or he said
Two
up to 2
people.
Okay, well, I'm gonna hop in and see if I can catch him. He's just gonna show me where to go. Is that
Yeah,
what
you might want to go around because I think he was in the front.
Okay.
So they needed help with trash. So
Oh.
probably gonna go put Remy up and then I can help him. Hi. Sorry, I'm a follower of Linnea. So yeah, so I'm like,
Is she friendly?
yeah, she is.
And what kind of dog is she?
She's a German Shepherd mix. I think she's mixed with the Australian Kelpie. She has a lot of the temperaments of an Australian Kelpie. Yes, I'm talking about you. She's 4.
Okay,
Yeah, so I've had her for 3 years.
really nice.
Yeah, she's a good girl.
Well, it's nice meeting you both. I'm
Yeah,
sure
you
we'll
too.
see you in the next few. Are you here for the week? Or just for the day?
Leaving Friday morning, but I'll be here tomorrow. So.
And what's your name again?
Sierra.
Sierra. I'll probably ask her. All right, nice seeing you.
Yeah, you too. Kayla, can I help?
Yeah. They gave me a
Oh,
badge.
do I need to get one of those?
Well, okay, let's see.
And are people going to be gathering around it? Because we don't have people gathering back there.
Yeah, she needs.
So I'm wondering if maybe it needs
Awesome.
to be
Thank
more.
you. Just one. Just great.
Oh, thank you. How do you?
I know. I just had
There
to
we go.
wedge it. I had to wedge it real hard. Yeah.
I thought I just saw him. I don't know where.
Oh, there he is.
Do I need a staff thing?
Yes, let's get you on.
Okay.
I'm just walking around. I found a little box and I've just been grabbing everything that way.
Nice. Pretty cool.
I need some staff badges or other badges over here at the tent, the VIP tent. We adopted another person.
Nice. I love adopting people.
Yeah, I'm happy to help. So.
This is going to be killer footage.
Yeah.
I get my face all the time.
I mean,
Never know what
Perfect.
you need.
yeah.
What do you need one of these then?
I'm probably gonna forget your name just so you know.
Hey girls, fine.
Hey.
Just, I'm like, hey, I'm here on cleanup crew. Do you need this? If
Okay.
it looks like it's salvageable, they.
Just like gonna watch what you're doing, but also picking up trash.
They're gonna just raise in the roof.
Raising that room.
Yeah,
That's pretty cool.
Literally, so that then they have space to stand.
Nice. this all trash right here? This all trash?
Yes, I believe so. Babe, this is all ground right here.
Yes. I will take that.
I'll take it. Can I get a video of you pulling this trash can? I'm just
In front of me?
yeah. When I get an ambulance, I'm either gonna buy one that's already 4-wheel drive or I'm gonna turn it into one because like I don't want to get stuck.
Can you do that easily?
Yeah.
Really?
It's expensive, but yeah. You
Okay.
could, it's either pay for tow truck 5 times a year or
Invest early.
yeah. Smart thinking. Recycling trash can.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just don't dump the whole thing in there.
Yeah, maybe here, I'll grab this.
Yeah. And, you know, we could have just gone on that side. Oh well. Where you go?
Okay.
Hand cleansing wipe. Perfect. Thank you. Hey, girl. Good girl. I wonder if this is trash. Hey guys, is this trash? Are you gonna use this? Okay.
Sorry about the garbage.
No, that's what we're here for.
I'm staying in the subs.
Yeah, my neck, for sure. Yeah.
Try to invest in your future.
Get right there. Yeah, because otherwise the tan lines are going to be so big.
I kind of want to picture. Yep, this is perfect. Throw it in. I like it. Right there. Perfect. Make it a scrap bin.
Okay, cool.
Scraps.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we're gonna help her.
Art stuff out of her.
Sierra,
Sarah
yeah.
and Kayla.
I'm just mixed up.
Yeah, we just met
That's
this
why I was
morning.
like, I couldn't believe it, man.
He's like, we were pulling trash up to the dumpster together.
He's like, have you guys known each other for years? Like, no, we just met.
Stuff like those bonds.
Family. Exactly. Very quickly. Yeah.
I'm kind of thinking that that's trash too, but I'm not sure.
Oh, that, yeah. You don't need this wire, right? Correct. Okay, cool.
She talked to me. Are you guys just using this as trash or throw it? I'm gonna throw it away.
Well, we
Just been throwing trash in it?
will use it. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
This is Justin. Alright, this is good. It's not falling through.
Sure. Thank you so much.
So we're gonna shoot some stuff with our cast here. The only trick is we need the part of the fire. So what we have to do, sorry to have to do this, just for a little period of time, is anyone that's on this side has to shift over to this side. So that we have background clear and then second.
Something special.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna go get dinner then.
I love it. All right,
pork taco and then one mashed potato taco. So it sounds, oh, I've had like potato tacos, so I'm guessing it's the same. They're pretty good.
Sounds good. Sounds nice.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get an ambulance, maybe.
Oh, nice. Ambulance, like big square ambulance?
Oh,
or
yeah.
Like
A type 3, yeah.
okay.
used to be an EMT.
You'll know the rig then.
Exactly.
741, please.
Thank you.
We just had two elderly women tell us that they fell in the creek, advised us to be careful. I'm a little apprehensive of this creek. I don't know what it has against us.
It's cold.
Yay.
And the temperature drops about 25 degrees as soon as you get right up there.
I'm so happy about that.
It's frigid ice cold.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, that's
Get it. Yes. Go, go. Oh, yeah. It is cooler. Right here.
She's got it. Just tell her anything.